To me, NSF means trust, it means advancing knowledge, and it means collaboration. I've been a grantee, a reviewer, a panelist, and I know how transparent, how clear the process is that leads to the production of the best science possible in the most inclusive ways.
The National Science Foundation has supported my research and teaching and training of graduate students for decades.
They gave me my first grant when I was a first-year assistant professor. That grant studied attention in young children and its relation to learning.
Happy birthday, NSF. We have worked with children to identify what really matters in their health and create their own personalized wearable technologies to manage their health.
And I was a recipient of the GRFP last year. I've been a part of 3 studies. I've also had the opportunity to present at 2 different conferences, and all I can say is this financial support has been a tremendous help to my development as a scientist.
We had to move fast to make a new COVID-19 model. We used the cloud-hosted models to live demo our techniques and our approaches with virologists, immunologists, and others, so we get rapid feedback on what did and didn't work. This helped us to get the feedback we needed to make the models better. All of this was possible because the National Science Foundation helped fund our work to take complex mathematical models and convert them into cloud-hosted models that could be run in a web browser.
The NSF Cybersecurity Center of Excellence works to understand how to apply the best cybersecurity to effectively protect research.
The National Science Foundation has allowed my own efforts as well as universities to achieve our goals of producing knowledge and training the next generation.
This really would not have been possible without your generous support. So thank you, National Science Foundation.
Thank you, National Science Foundation.
Thank you, NSF.
Thank you, National Science Foundation.
Thank you, National Science Foundation.
Thank you, National Science Foundation.
Thank you, NSF.